Hey guys, in this video we're going to look at 5 free equalizer plugins that you can add to a digital audio workstation. These range from simple graphic equalizers to more complicated parallel dynamic equalizers that combine EQ and compression. Since they're all free, check them out for yourself and test them on your projects. They're all linked in the video description down below. Marvel GEQ by Voxengo is a 16-band linear phase graphic equalizer that basically just has gain controls for different preset frequencies, making it simple to click and drag different frequencies up and down for some rough shaping, but doesn't allow for the precision of some of the other plugins we'll talk about in a moment. Either way, it's quick and easy to use and worth it if you don't need to apply much EQ. Triple EQ by Blue Cat is a 3-band semi-parametric equalizer with a low shelf, high shelf, and peak filter. The gain and bandwidth is controlled by clicking and dragging and using the mouse wheel. It has a left and right channel or a mid-side channel depending on how you set it up, and they can be linked or controlled separately. This plugin also has an auto gain mode to automatically keep the level up when the frequency levels are changed. SlickEQ by Tokyo Dawn Records and Variety of Sound is a simple mixing and mastering equalization plugin. It's a semi-parametric equalizer with low, mid, and high frequency controls, and the high and low frequencies can be a peak or shelf. There are 4 EQ modes to change the curves and sound, and saturation controls to warm it up a little. SonEQ by Sonimus is a 3-band equalizer that is made to replicate a vintage equalizer. We start with input and output controls. Then we have the low frequency section where we can boost or attenuate it and control the low frequency cutoff value. The mid-range is adjusted by the gain and frequency control, and the same for the high frequency. The low frequency value can be set to 20, 30, 60, or 100 Hz, and the high frequency can be set to 6, 8, 12, or 15 kHz, with no slider, but the mid-frequency can be set as a slider. We can also add a little warmth and saturation with the drive control on the right. TDR Nova by Tokyo Dawn Records is a parallel dynamic equalizer which basically combines EQ curves and compression on the same bands. Each band has a Q and frequency selection with a standard gain control we would expect from an equalizer. In addition, we get a threshold, ratio, attack, and release control for each band. The plugin has a graphical display of the EQ curve and frequency response. We can also isolate and listen to each of the frequency bands. On the left, we're given high pass and low pass filters. The right side gives us dry mix levels and output controls. Thanks for checking out this video on free Equalizer VST plugins. If this video helped you out, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and press the bell icon to get notifications whenever we release a new video. You can also let us know some of your favorite free plugins in the comments and check out our other videos on free plugins.